Now we can sit.
Next stop, Spadina Avenue.
But now it's marketed to men and boys. Now if I just how do you that's right
You're like 6'6". You're actually playing out like college. Oh, you're 6'3".
Style is like not much. That would be amazing. It would be so
I'm like,
yeah, you want to get some like stuff at the top. Yeah. And I don't think it'll become an issue, but you may prefer to do that. No, you're not. I would say go ahead and do that if there's a time in the summer where it's hot to have all that hair. You could always do like wait till the summer or fall or whatever. But I think go for it now. Like not till yeah. Yeah.
Next stop, Denison Avenue.
I was like, I missed taking you to the comic con. We probably couldn't do that anyways. I just looked it up and then I just thought it was so it's easy for me. Yeah. It is technically on you though. I just like a couple of other stuff. I just like you like it. Next year. Yeah, I think you guys would love it. Oh wait, we went. Yeah, we went there out there. That summer college meeting, right? Oh, so good. It was so packed. His dad met us there. Yeah, what's he said? Wait. Oh yeah, because he came home running from that conference. Oh, that was sad. I forgot that was the thing. He took like yeah. That's fine. Okay, like I think I'll be fine. There was a whole night. Okay, so bring it off at bathroom.
That's where we played.
Is that where you played it by yourself? Yeah. And you played prior to like the Ryerson team? Were they really good?
Thank you. Awesome.
Next stop, Dundas Street.
Also, we played in baseball until the
We got to the second day with this guy who won. What? 20.
I was thinking like you need like second level, like double digit. Or like